세상의 시작과 함께 불사의 땅 발리노르를 지키던 엘프들. 하지만 악의 군주 모르고스의 침략으로 발리노르를 밝히던 빛의 나무가 영원히 시들어버리는데
And a legion of elves went to war. We left Valinor, our home, and journeyed to a distant realm, place known as Middle-earth.
그렇게 시작된 어둠의 시대. 가운데 땅을 무대로 모르고스의 악한 세력과 엘프들은 수백 년에 걸친 전쟁을 이어갑니다.
In the end, Morgoth would be defeated, but not before much sorrow.
모르고스가 몰락한 뒤 사우론이 아기의 후계자로 일어서고 갈라드리엘은 잔혹한 사우론의 손에 사랑하는 오빠를 잃고 맙니다.
And marked his flesh with a symbol, one whose meaning even our wisest could not discern. And there, in the darkness, his vow became mine.
그날 이후 오빠의 복수를 가슴에 품은 갈라드리엘은 세상 뒤편으로 모습을 감춘 사우론을 집요하게 추적하기 시작했고 수세기에 걸친 추격 끝에 대원들을 이끌고 세상의 끝 가운데 땅의 최북단까지 도달합니다.
And our enemy is no more. And tomorrow begin the journey home.
We are losing the light.
하지만 수십 년간 오르크의 흔적조차 보지 못한 대원들은 사우론이 이미 완전히 사라졌다고 믿기 시작했죠.
There's nothing out here. We should have been there by now.
We are there.
모르고스가 패망한 뒤 오르크들이 집결했던 거대한 요새 안으로 발걸음을 옮깁니다. 요새 깊은 곳으로 들어서자 악의 기운을 품은 재단이 모습을 드러내는데
Water.
그리고 드러나는 사우론의 표식.
Sauron was here. At sunrise we move on. Let's take the search farther north.
The mark is centuries old. Surely we must first return home to take counsel with the High King.
And until we are certain every trace of our enemy is vanquished, I can never return. We march at first light.
Then you shall do so alone.
끝없는 추적에 지친 부하들은 더 이상 갈라드리엘을 따르길 거부하기에 이르는데 얼마 뒤 가운데 땅의 요정 왕국 린돈
Galadriel.
부하들의 항명에 결국 왕국으로 돌아온 갈라드리엘은 오랜 친구 엘론드와 재회합니다.
This mark's very existence proves Sauron escaped. He's still out there. The question now is where?
그녀는 혼자서라도 추격을 이어나가겠다고 하지만
Rather you who defied the High King. In an act of magnanimity, he has chosen to honor your accomplishments. Test him again. You may find him less receptive than you might have hoped.
얼마 뒤 린돈의 요정왕 길갈라드는 오랫동안 헌신해온 갈라드리엘과 부대원들에게 최고의 상을 내립니다.
Today, our days of peace begin.
엘론드의 조언에 갈라드리엘은 마침내 전쟁이 끝났다는 왕의 선언을 받아들이고
As a measure of our gratitude, they will be escorted to the Grey Havens and granted passage across the sea to dwell for all eternity in the blessed realm, the undying lands of Valinor.
모든 엘프들이 열망하는 영원한 고향이지만 그녀의 마음은 여전히 무겁기만 합니다.
Your brother would be proud.
A gift I have decided to refuse. I go to seek the enemy that escaped us in the north.
It is over. The evil is gone.
Then why is it not gone from in here?
If but a whisper of a rumor of the threat you perceive proves true, I will not rest until it is put right. You have fought long enough, Galadriel. Put up your sword.
Without it, what am I to be?
My friend.
한편 안두인강 동쪽의 야생지대 로바니온에는 키가 작은 소인 털발족들이 다른 종족들의 눈을 피해 평화롭게 살아가고 있었고 남다른 모험심을 가진 노리는 마을을 벗어나 아이들을 데리고 먼 곳으로 놀러 나가곤 했죠.
I found something. There's something in the mud. It looks like a footsie.
불길한 낌새를 느낀 노리는 아이들을 데리고 다시 마을로 돌아갑니다.
She's returned. How fare thee?
Well and well, father.
And look at her.
놀이를 반기는 아버지와 달리 엄마는 걱정이 앞섰고
You went to the old farm again.
I was careful.
But the children might not be.
Sorry, I didn't know.
바깥 세상과 철저히 담을 쌓고 사는 털발족이었지만 유독 놀이만큼은 바깥 세상에 대한 호기심으로 가득했죠.
Go on. Help your father.
한편 가운데 땅 남부의 작은 마을 요정 경비대원 아론디르는 2주마다 마을을 돌아다니며 인간들을 조용히 감시하고 있었고
Uneven dice handling.
마을의 치유사 브론윈이 지나가자 아론디르는 그녀에게서 시선을 떼지 못합니다.
And the poisoning?
A fellow passed through a few days back, said his grazing's gone rotten.
Where was he from?
Didn't say east, I think.
그때 자신들을 오랜 세월 감시해온 요정에게 젊은이가 분노를 터뜨립니다.
Our true king will return. Pry us right out from under your pointy boots.
아론디르는 소란을 피해 브론윈에게 향하는데
Give me a hand.
Halfering seeds.
We crush the petals to form a salve.
You crush them.
Gently.
Until next time then.
Soldier.
아론디르가 근처의 오스티리스 경비탑에서 남부인들을 감시하는 이유는 그들이 과거 전쟁에서 악의 군주 모르고스의 편에 섰기 때문이었죠.
The High King has declared the days of war are over.
길 갈라드의 종전 선언으로 철수 명령이 내려지자 아론디르는 브론윈을 찾아갑니다.
Say what you wish to say.
100 times over, in every way but words.
Mother, there's a man here for you.
키우던 소가 기이한 병에 걸린 것 같다며 찾아온 것인데
What manner of sickness?
아론디르도 소를 살펴보기 시작하고
Where's she been grazing?
She wandered east a few days ago.
Squirted out of the far east.
She might have made it as far as Horden.
Where are you going?
Horden's a day's journey. If I leave now, I can reach it by dusk.
I'm going with you.
엄마가 떠난 걸 확인한 세오는 친구를 마을 헛간으로 데려가는데
Only spotted it by mistake.
Salty rascals got the king's bounty down there.
This is the real bounty.
세오가 헛간 바닥 밑에서 꺼낸 것은 부러진 칼자루였고
Watch it! Go on, quick.
친구가 떠나자 세오는 칼자루에서 알 수 없는 힘을 느끼는데
First, the big people. Now, the stars. Eyes open when they should be sleeping. Like they're watching for something.
Watching for what?
A tongue lashing if you don't mind your own cartwheel.
Static. Static, please.
The skies are strange.
동쪽 마을로 향하던 아론디르와 브론윈이 멀리서 피어오르는 검은 연기를 따라가자 갈라드리엘과 부하들은 빛나는 영혼의 땅을 향해 돛을 올립니다.
It has passed beyond my sight.
Galadriel sails to the sunset. You and I must look to the new sunrise to that end. Are you acquainted with the work of Lord Celebrimbor?
Greatest of elven smiths, of course.
And we've decided that you will be working with him.
But I'll allow you to explain the details, Lord Celebrimbor.
발리노르에 가까워지자 엘프들은 갑옷을 하나씩 벗기 시작했고 곧이어 물새떼가 날아와 이들을 둘러싸더니 발리노르로 향하는 항로가 열리며 빛이 쏟아지기 시작합니다. 황홀경도 잠시 갈라드리엘의 눈에 오빠의 단검이 보이는데 그때 거대한 불덩이 하나가 가운데 땅 하늘을 가로지르기 시작하고 갈라드리엘이 탄 배가 항로로 완전히 들어서는 그 순간 마침내 영원한 고향을 뒤로하고 남기로 결심한 갈라드리엘은 다쳐가는 발리노르의 항로를 바라볼 뿐이었죠. 불길한 징조와 함께 불덩이가 떨어진 곳에 도착한 놀이. 그녀의 눈에 보인 건 바로 정체불명의 남자였습니다. 낯선 이와 접촉해선 안 된다는 포피의 말에도 불구하고 노리는 홀린 듯 하늘에서 떨어진 남자에게 다가가는데 정신을 차린 남자가 거친 비명을 지르자 주변 물체들이 비정상적으로 움직이고
Your mom's gonna kill you. We can't leave him like this or the bulls will get him. So that's not who we are.
결국 노리는 정신을 잃은 남자를 안전한 곳으로 옮긴 뒤 다른 털발족들에게 들키지 않도록 깊숙이 숨겨둡니다.
Why are you doing this, Nori? I know it sounds strange, but somehow I just know it's important.
Fine, I'll tell anyone.
그 시각 아론디르와 브론위는 불타고 있는 마을을 살펴보는 중인데
The earth is riven with fishes, like in a ground shake.
No bodies. This was no ground shake. Someone dug this passage.
Something.
Warn your people.
You're not coming with me.
You must follow the passage the other direction.
아론디르는 음습한 땅굴 속으로 추적의 발걸음을 옮겼고 마을로 달려간 브론위는 사람들을 불러 모으고 경고합니다.
By what? I cannot say, but they were digging towards us.
No, I will not have this gossip, Bronwyn, without proof or pudding. That's all it'd be.
한편 집에 홀로 남아있던 세오는 어젯밤부터 마루 밑에서 들려오는 소리 때문에 신경이 곤두서 있었는데 땅굴을 따라가던 아론디르도 심상치 않은 흔적을 발견합니다. 몸을 숨기려던 아론디르는 물속에 빠지고 마는데 브론윈이 황급히 집으로 돌아왔지만 세오의 모습은 보이지 않습니다. 다행히 몸을 숨긴 세오는 살아있었고 갑자기 들려오는 소리에 그녀도 몸을 숨기는데
We make for the Elven Tower at first light.
잠시 뒤 마을을 떠날 채비를 하던 세오는 헛간에서 가져온 부러진 칼자루를 다시금 가만히 만져보는데 세오의 피를 빨아들인 칼자루는 점점 검의 모양을 갖추고 마을 사람들은 비워진 요정감 식탑으로 피난을 시작했고 엘론드는 켈레브린보르와 함께 요정장인들의 왕국 에레기온에 도착합니다.
One that can host forge, more powerful than any ever built. The things we could use it to create could transform Middle-earth.
What seems to be the difficulty?
I need it completed by spring.
That would require
A workforce greater than any ever assembled, yes. The High King cannot provide one, so he has sent me you instead.
Have you considered seeking partners outside the confines of our own race?
How far outside?
엘론드는 켈레브린보르를 난쟁이 왕국인 크아저tum으로 안내합니다.
Their prince, Durin, is an old and dear friend. Almost like a brother to me.
그는 자신 있게 문을 두드리지만
We seek an audience with Prince Durin.
No!
Inform Lord Durin that his friend, Elrond, has
Judgment has already been rendered. Elf.
잠시 고민하던 엘론드는
I invoke the right of Sigyn Tarag. Allow me a few days to work mine.
그렇게 엘론드는 난쟁이들과 크아자툼 안으로 들어가고 곧이어 시긴타라그 의식이 치러질 방 안으로 엘론드가 들어섭니다.
My heart sings to see you.
The elf Elrond has invoked the right of Sigyn Tarag. We shall break the great stones until one of us can break no more. Should the elf forfeit, he will be banished from all Dwarven land.
Forever!
In the unlikely event the elf should win, we shall grant a single boon. Begin!
엘론드는 온 힘을 다해 맞서보지만 난쟁이의 압도적인 힘을 이겨내지 못하고 결국 패배를 인정합니다.
Take your leave.
Perhaps his lordship would be willing to escort me to the exit.
Gladly.
엘론드는 두린이 이토록 화가 난 이유를 도무지 이해할 수 없었죠.
You might at least listen to the proposal I bring.
Ah, there it is. The true purpose of your visit. You want...
I journeyed here to see my friend whom I've greatly missed.
You missed my wedding, the birth of my children, 2 of them. You cannot claim that which you discarded.
Discarded? Durin,
20 years may be the blink of an eye to an elf, but I've lived an entire life in that time. A life you missed.
I
I hope you can come to forgive me, and I would like very much to apologize to your family as well.
One apology to Disa and you're off.
You're staying for dinner.
He's leaving.
He's staying.
결국 디사의 배려로 식사 자리에 함께하게 됐지만 둘인의 마음속 앙금은 여전히 풀리지 않는 상태였고
He's not here for us. His king sent him here to take what's ours.
So you planted the sapling?
Tends it like it's our third child. What sort of tree is it exactly?
Seedling of our great tree in Linden, very symbol of our people's strength and vitality.
You're not leaving already.
Overstayed my welcome. Thank you, Disa.
Sorry, sit down. Tell me about your king's proposal so I can decide whether to present it to my father or toss it in the nearest slag pit.
두린은 국왕이자 아버지인 두린 3세를 찾아가 엘론드가 제안한 요정과의 협력 소식을 전합니다.
He sensed that it was you who was hiding something.
Elrond is a friend. I trust him.
There can be no trust between hammer and rock. Eventually one or the other must surely break.
그 무렵 노리는 남자를 숨겨둔 채 사람들의 눈을 피해 먹을 것을 챙겨주며 그를 돌보고 있었죠.
What about your name?
남자는 말을 할 수 있었지만 들어본 적 없는 언어였고 자신이 누구인지조차 기억하지 못하는 것 같은데
What is it?
Manna. Uri. Manna.
Just looks like a batch of dots and noobs. Friend. It's your father.
하필 털발 쪽에 생존이 걸린 데이주를 목전에 두고 일을 하던 노리의 아버지가 다리를 다치고 맙니다.
Mind your own fire, Malva.
해가 저물자 음식을 챙긴 노리는 거인이 있는 곳으로 찾아가는데
See, the next migration is in just a few days now, and everything's gone. I thought I could, but I'm sorry. It's a lantern. We use fireflies.
거인의 눈빛에 등불이 움직이기 시작하고
What's he saying to them?
반딧불이로 무언가 모양을 만들기 시작하더니
They're stars. What does that mean? He wants us to help him find those stars.
지친 듯 쓰러져 버립니다.
I've never seen those stars before, but I have a pretty good idea where I can find them.
한편 분리의 바다에서 가운데 땅을 향해 헤엄치던 갈라드리엘의 눈앞에 멀리 정체불명의 형체가 모습을 드러내고 부서진 배의 파편으로 만든 뗏목 위 갈라드리엘을 발견한 인간들이 그녀를 뗏목에 태워줍니다.
And you've not seen it?
Seen what?
The worm.
An elf! Look! Over here!
그때 멀리 돛이 보이고
Worm.
The elf let it right to us!
괴수가 뗏목과 사람들을 한순간에 삼키고 사라진 뒤 홀로 살아남은 사내가 갈라드리엘을 끌어올립니다.
I'm Halbrand.
Galadriel.
망망대해를 표류하며 두 사람은 서로를 탐색하듯 대화를 이어갔죠.
Don't have the look of someone to whom things happen by accident, which means you were running. Whether toward or from something, I haven't yet decided.
Duty demanded I return to Middle-earth.
Important elf business, no doubt.
What have elves ever done to you?
The way I see it, it wasn't elves that chased me from my homeland. It was orcs.
갈라드리엘은 예상대로 사우론의 세력이 여전히 살아있음을 확신하고
Your home, where was it?
What's it matter?
For those who lost. Around your neck. Is that the mark of your people's king?
My people have no king.
But where might that kingdom be found?
To what end?
What if I told you we might be able to reclaim it?
Why are you stranded at sea?
Because rather than rest in glory, I chose to seek out the very enemy responsible for your suffering.
Elf, you didn't cause my suffering and you can't fix it.
Are you going to tell me where the enemy is or not?
The Southlands.
갑작스런 바다 폭풍이 두 사람을 덮칩니다.
Come on! Give me your hand! Bind yourself to me!
갑자기 내려친 벼락에 갈라드리엘은 바닷속으로 빠져들기 시작하는데 할브란드 덕분에 목숨을 건진 갈라드리엘은 얼마 뒤 희미한 정신 속에서 인기척을 느끼는데 정신을 차려보니 구조되어 거대한 배에 탑승해 있었고 그 사람을 구조한 이들은 인간이었지만 누군지 짐작조차 할 수 없었죠.
One of the Eldar. On board my ship.
What vessel is this?
Be at ease. I'm obliged to deliver you safely to my betters. They will answer your questions, not I.
What is this place?
The westernmost of all mortal realms. The island kingdom of Numenor.
Since when did men like me build kingdoms such as this?
In the Great War, your ancestors stood with Morgoth. These men stood with the elves. As a reward, the Valar granted them this island. It has changed much since then.
본래 누메노르인들은 엘프와 깊은 우정을 나누었지만 엘프의 영생을 질투하기 시작하며 교류를 끊고 멀리하게 되었죠. 그 사람은 누메노르의 섭정 여왕 미리엘을 알련합니다.
Your captain here delivered us from certain death. All we ask is that Numenor continue his mercy and grant us ship's passage to Middle-earth.
It's been generations since a ship of Numenor was permitted to make such a journey on an elf's behalf.
It is because of the elves that you were given this island. Surely you can spare a few planks and a rudder.
They paid for this isle with the blood of their kin.
And if blood be the price of passage, I will pay it.
It seems to me that our leaving presents some complications. Perhaps it'd be better if we stay long enough to give you and your advisors adequate time to weigh our request.
3 days. And the elf is to be restricted to Palace Cry.
Captain, my gratitude.
가운데 땅으로 떠나려는 갈라드리엘과 달리 할브란드는 이곳이 마음에 드는 눈치인데
Perhaps some peace could do you good as well. And at the very least, do try not to make any new enemies.
We will be wise to resolve this matter swiftly. We dare not invite your father's cloud back overhead.
Tell me about this captain.
His name is Elendil, now a sea guardsman, with a son, if memory serves. Said to follow him into the service.
아버지 엘렌딜의 뒤를 이어 아들 이실두르 역시 정식 해안 경비대가 되기 위해 고된 생도 생활을 이어가고 있었고 그는 생도들 중에서도 뛰어난 능력과 리더십을 가지고 있었죠.
9 more days. We passed the sea trial in 4 years. We'll make officer.
훈련을 마친 이실두르에게 여동생 에아리엔이 찾아옵니다.
What are you doing here? Where's father?
Elendil. An uncommon name. Pray tell, what does it mean?
It can also mean elf friend.
Then are you?
I'm a loyal servant of Numenor.
미리엘은 엘렌딜에게 갈라드리엘의 감시를 맡기지만 갈라드리엘은 자신을 환대하지 않는 이곳에서 탈출할 생각만을 하고 있었는데
That skiff will hardly get you out of the harbour.
Where I run and how I run there are none of your concern. Anywhere is better than here, where I am hated by all who see me.
Lallie Sanke Lowilquen, Erinia.
Manistelia Coete il Denombe.
It is still taught in our Hall of Law.
Hall of Law, how far is that?
엘렌딜의 도움으로 지식의 전당으로 향한 갈라드리엘은 그곳에서 사우론의 문양에 대해 찾아보는데
You didn't say the Hall of Law was assembled by Elros himself.
You knew Elros.
But I was always closer with his brother.
Thank our last king. It's because of him this place wasn't torn down.
He was loyal to the elves.
Is loyal. We forced him from the throne for it. They say he spends his days in the tower now.
그때 그녀가 봤던 문양에 관한 기록을 가져온 학자.
The account of a human spy retrieved from an enemy dungeon. He drew this to record the tower's location.
This is no sigil. It is a map of the Southland. It is as Halbrand said.
And the inscription?
It speaks not only of a place, but a plan where evil would not only endure, but thrive. Plan to be enacted in the event of Morgoth's defeat by his successor.
Galadriel and the Southlands are in grave danger.
If Sauron has indeed returned, the Southlands are but the beginning.
그 무렵 누메노르의 대장간을 찾아간 할브란드는 뛰어난 재련 기술을 선보이며 자신을 일꾼으로 써달라 청하지만
But until you've earned your guild quest, you can't forge steel in Numenor.
잠시 뒤 식사를 하는 할브란드에게 다가온 누메노르인들. 엘프의 적대적이었던 그들은 할브란드가 좋게 보일 리 없었죠.
Then I haven't shown you the faintest bit of gratitude. Next few rounds on me.
술을 마시며 방심을 유도한 할브란드가 조합 문장을 훔쳐 자리를 뜨는데
Hey, Lowman.
하지만 얼마 못 가 들켜버렸고
I don't want any trouble.
Why not?
Lowman!
한편 가운데 땅 남부에서는 오르크들에게 붙잡힌 아론디르가 어디론가 끌려가고 있습니다.
Get to it! Don't stay in the sun till your blood is cold. Rest over stuff about. Now dig!
그곳에는 인간들과 요정들이 붙잡혀 노역을 하고 있었고 감시탑의 동료들도 잡혀 있었죠. 햇빛을 오래 버티지 못하는 오르크들은 인간과 엘프들을 납치해 지하 땅굴을 넓혀가고 있었습니다.
They're searching for something, toiling nightly to find it for their leader. It seems Morgoth has a successor. The orcs speak of it near worship.
Anna, why would orcs refer to the leader by an elvish word?
Sauron was said to have many names in days of old.
First opportunity either of you has to get a glimpse above this trench, you take it.
Locate the closest tree line, and when the sun is at its strongest, we will make our escape.
Found those nips and dig. Ow!
These roots block our path.
I will cut it down!
자원하여 나무에 오른 아론디르는 탈출을 위해 주변 지형과 가까운 숲의 위치를 살핍니다. 그 무렵 내일로 다가온 데이주를 준비 중인 털발족.
We're going to be left behind.
노리의 엄마는 남편의 다리 부상으로 인해 데이주에서 뒤처질까 걱정이 앞섰죠.
We'll make it to the grove.
How?
I'll stay at the front of the caravan.
지난밤 남자가 반딧불이로 보여준 별자리를 찾기 위해 노리는 족장 사독의 비밀책을 몰래 살펴보기로 결심합니다.
Now you lay one paw on that book and old Sadok will use your hide to make its next batch of
I've got a better idea. The migration's tomorrow.
I'll keep watch.
사독의 천막에 몰래 들어간 노리는 책을 펼쳐보고
Oh, good idea. You do that. Fetch it from your car.
사독의 눈을 피해 책상 밑으로 숨은 노리는
Are you all right?
Just tell them I'm almost ready.
Right. No, I mean left. Yes. No.
Calm yourself and get yourself some chestnut pie.
잠시 뒤 데이주를 위해 사독이 사람들을 불러 모읍니다.
You remember those from prior migrations who fell behind.
생존이 최우선인 털발족들은 이주길에 낙오된 동족을 두고 떠나며 다시 찾지 않았죠. 그때 노리가 숨겨놓은 책의 일부를 찾아낸 거인은 책장을 살펴보다 그만 불이 붙고 마는데
No.
결국 금기를 깨고 이방인을 불러들인 노리에게 엄한 벌을 내려야 한다며 대책 회의가 열립니다.
Our laws are clear. Any harefoot that breaks them is to be decaravaned.
Miss Brandyfoot is young. There's much hair still to grow on her toes as sense between her ears, and the Brandyfoot cart will be with us. At the back of the caravan. At the back?
다리를 다친 상태에서 대열의 맨 뒤쪽에 서라는 것은 사형 선고나 다름없었죠.
I mean the back.
한편 누메노르의 이실두르는 아버지 엘렌딜에게 경비대 시험을 미루고 가문의 옛 터전인 서쪽 해안에 다녀오겠다는데
There is nothing for us on our western shores.
The past is dead. The watery part of this world has a way of healing even the deepest of wounds.
In 9 days' time, when the sea trial begins and that ship launches, you will be on it.
그 무렵 감옥에 갇힌 할브란드를 찾아간 갈라드리엘은 그에게 서류 하나를 내밀었고 할브란드가 목에 걸고 있는 물건과 똑같은 문양이었죠.
Many ages ago, a man bearing that mark united the scattered tribes of the Southlands under one banner, the very banner that might unite them again today, against the evil that now seeks to claim their lands.
The heir to this mark is heir to more than just nobility. For it was his ancestor who swore a blood oath to Morgoth.
Come with me to Middle-earth, and together we will redeem both our bloodlines.
You're stuck on this island.
That is all about to change.
그 시각 미리엘은 누메노르 왕궁의 가장 높은 탑에 오릅니다.
It is here, father. The elf has arrived.
다음 날 가운데 땅에서는 털발 쪽의 데이주가 시작되는데
Come on, Poppy, you'll fall behind.
뒤처져 있던 노리 가족의 수레가 진창에 빠져버리고 거인이 그들의 수레를 꺼내줍니다.
Friend.
This is it. This is how we keep up with the others, all of us. Can we, Mum? Can we bring him?
거인의 도움으로 노리 가족은 무사히 대열에 합류했고 아론디르와 요정들은 햇빛이 강해지는 시간을 기다리고 있었는데 오르크들이 햇빛을 피하는 사이 사슬을 끊어내려 했고
Release the wand!
아론디르도 동료를 따라 탈출을 시도하지만
Bring him to Adar.
끌려온 아론디르 앞으로 누군가 다가오자 오르크들이 일제히 무릎을 꿇기 시작하는데 오르크들을 물린 아다르가 입을 뗍니다. 놀랍게도 그는 요정어를 구사했고
I went down that river once. The banks were covered in sage blossoms.
Why do the orcs call you father?
Go to the men who've taken refuge in the old watchtower. Deliver to them a message.
What message?
그 무렵 마을 사람들은 요정 감시탑으로 피신하는 데 성공하지만
That is the rest.
몰려든 인원에 비해 턱없이 부족한 식량을 구하러 나서야만 했죠.
What about Waldrig's root cellar? We send a small party into town. By day, when the orcs are fewer, grab what we can, quick and quiet.
Of course, Soggle, you're open to that.
I'll do it.
You're not going down there.
브론윈의 만류에도 세오는 친구와 함께 마을로 내려가 식량을 수색하는데
Roll. Tam.
I'm not going in there.
I'll go.
선술집에 들어선 세오가 식량을 챙기려던 그 순간 해가 구름에 가려 어둠이 내려앉자 친구는 공포에 질려 도망치고 맙니다.
Where'd you get that? Give it here.
Boy! I found him! It's a boy! He has the hilt!
세오와 함께 나갔던 친구가 홀로 돌아오는데
Rowan! Where's Theo?
He said he'd be right behind me.
우물에서 빠져나온 세오는 오르크들을 피해 숨죽여 도망칠 기회를 노립니다.
Where is it? Loosen your arm won't loosen your lips.
타이밍 좋게 나타난 아론디르가 세오를 데리고 감시탑을 향해 필사적으로 도망치기 시작했고 수많은 오르크들이 두 사람을 뒤쫓고 있었죠. 세오가 지쳐 쓰러지자 아론디르와 브론윈은 오르크들에 맞서 마지막 항전을 준비하는데 때마침 아침 해가 떠오르며 오르크들의 발걸음이 멈추고 세 사람은 무사히 감시탑으로 돌아옵니다.
I have a message from the one who commands our enemy. That your people may live if you forsake all claim to these lands and swear fealty to him.
And if we refuse?
He's coming for Osterith.
그때 품에서 숨겨놓은 칼자루를 꺼내보는 세오.
You won't take it, just like you took that hilt from me, boy. I don't know of what I speak.
남자에게도 세오처럼 칼자루가 박혔던 흉터가 남아있었고
This new sword, this is a power fashioned for our ancestors by his master's own hand. Have you heard of him, lad? Have you heard of Sauron? You must have seen it in the skies.
Starfall.
You'll need it for what's coming.
Lord Father, we've found it. It's in the tower.
둘인의 협력으로 대장간 건설이 순조롭게 진행되지만 켈레브린 보르에게는 깊은 근심이 있었는데
Either he's avoiding me or he's hiding.
엘론드는 곧바로 크 하잣둠을 찾아가 디사를 떠봅니다.
He was off to mine Quartz Chasm today.
If Durin is mining quartz, why would he leave without taking his chiseling out? There is no secret worth concealing with deception.
Because the quartz he's mining isn't chiseled. It is pride. Was there anything else he wanted to ask about, Derry?
No.
Quartz Chasm. Not bad.
We better keep our pipes down.
We're making good progress in the old mine.
The old mine below the Mirrormere.
뛰어난 요정의 감각으로 두 사람의 비밀 대화를 간파한 엘론드는 망설임 없이 광산을 향해 발걸음을 옮깁니다.
I knew it!
Durin?
Came to spy on me, elf. But this was not the true reason he sent you here to begin with.
Durin, want what? I care nothing for whatever is in that chamber. I do care for you, for this friendship.
I need your oath. Hand Mountain never breathed so much as a whisper of what I'm about to tell you to another living soul.
I swear on the memory of my father, Earendil the Mariner.
두리는 금광맥을 찾다가 새로운 금속을 찾았다고 말합니다.
Lighter than silk, harder than iron weaponry, it would best our proudest blades.
Then why all the secrecy?
It's perilous to mine. My father has restricted our every efforts in the name of caution. In our tongue, grey glitter. In yours, something like Mithraud.
Mithril.
Keep it. Token of our friendship. Very well.
There's 4 dwarves down there!
Durin!
다행히 갇힌 광부들을 모두 구해내지만
Your father must be so relieved.
He shut it down.
미스릴 광산을 전부 막아버린 아버지의 결정에 두리는 거센 분노를 터뜨렸고
Do not waste what time you have left with yours.
엘론드의 조언대로 두리는 아버지를 찾아가 무례를 사과하며 용서를 구합니다.
There is nothing to forgive.
Elrond has invited me to go with him to Lindon tomorrow.
Elrond has been very convincing in his assurance that Gil-galad bore no ill intent when he sent him here. What is yours, tell you?
There is something more at work.
Good. Find out what.
한편 누메노르에서는 요정을 배척하는 백성들의 반감이 거세지며 미리엘 여왕을 향한 불만의 목소리가 커져만 갔고
Workers taking your trade. And if the elf were here now, what would she see?
이 모습을 지켜보던 왕실 고문 파라존이 흥분한 군중들을 가라앉힙니다.
My friends swear that elven hands will never take Numenor's helm.
광장의 묘한 열기를 지켜보는 에아리엔에게 파라존의 아들 케멘이 다가옵니다.
Earian, land, now.
미리엘 여왕은 할브란드의 폭력 사태를 들먹이며 갈라드리엘에게 책임을 추궁하고
He is understandably quick to temper. His people are dying.
His people?
The lost heir in exile to the throne of the Southlands. His people are scattered, leaderless, but with your backing they might unite behind his banner and fight.
What do you mean, backing?
Sauron, I call on you to finish the task left undone and fight with me to save the men of the Southlands.
This audience has ended.
하지만 미리엘은 가운데 땅의 분쟁에 개입하길 주저하는 기색을 내비치는데
Then I have little choice but to ask for another. Your father, the king.
What authority do you speak, elf?
It swept me to this island for a reason, and it will not be quelled by you, regent.
그 시각 훈련 중이던 이실도르는 바다 멀리에서 자신을 부르는 음성을 듣고 집중하지 못하는데
Explain yourself!
It's my fault.
You're off the Sea Guard! All 3 of you!
이실도르 때문에 경비대에서 쫓겨난 친구들은 그를 향해 참아왔던 분노를 쏟아냅니다.
I did everything I was supposed to do to earn it. And what did you do? What have you ever done but brood and blubber about your dead mother? Stop it! Stop it!
Yeah, same old as Seal walking away. Seal!
감옥에 갇혀 격분하는 갈라드리엘에게 할브란드는 뜻밖의 조언을 건넵니다.
You do well to identify what it is that your opponent most fears. Give them a means of mastering it so that you can master them. None of which quickened her pulse. Now, all of a sudden she throws you in a cell.
The king in the tower, who no one has seen in years.
얼마 뒤 갈라드리엘을 요정들에게 돌려보내겠다며 찾아온 파라존.
You could, if you knew exactly where she was going.
그때 청소를 하고 있던 에아리엔.
So sorry.
It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. So how about this? I'll do the floors and you do the goblets, and the last one to finish pays for dinner.
I'm not in the habit of going off with strange young men.
So if I see any, you'll be the first to know.
결국 에아리엔은 케멘과 저녁을 먹게 되고 그곳에서 이실도르를 발견하는데
Who is he?
Where's your uniform? You got dismissed.
Got us all dismissed.
Isil. Now you can go west.
I just ruined my friends' lives. Shamed our family name. I don't deserve to go west.
탈출한 갈라드리엘은 곧바로 상황이 있다는 탑으로 향합니다.
Apologies, Your Majesty, for the intrusion, but I...
He no longer answers to that.
상황은 한눈에 보기에도 심각한 병색을 띠고 있었고
It's all right, Father. I'm here. Forgive me. If you know the full extent of his decline, I should like to keep it that way.
Then it is time for truth between us. Your father was loyal to the elvish ways. Why are you not?
상황은 예전처럼 요정들과의 관계를 회복해야 한다고 주장했지만 백성들의 거센 반발에 부딪혀 결국 권좌에서 밀려난 것이었죠.
I was chosen to rule in his stead with a promise to quell the storm.
그리곤 무엇인가 보여주는 미리엘.
Palantir.
The other 6 either lost or hidden. This one was passed to my father, and with it, a secret. Place your hand upon it.
그녀의 눈앞에 누메노르가 물속에 잠겨 멸망하는 참혹한 미래가 펼쳐집니다.
The vision begins with your arrival. The Valar gifted us this isle in a day of virtue.
Virtue you speak of? Was your ancestors' loyalty to the elves?
My father believed that. His path nearly destroyed us.
Avoiding this war may be the very thing that brings about your downfall. I know what it is to be the only one. Perhaps neither of us have to bear that burden alone any longer. I beg of you, Miriel, choose not the path of fear, but that of faith. Let Numenor fight alongside the elves once more.
I'm sorry.
다음 날 미리엘은 그녀를 누메노르 밖으로 내보냈고
Your people will be relieved.
그녀의 배가 출발하자 왕궁의 신성한 하얀 나무 님로스의 꽃잎이 흩날리기 시작하는데
Faithful believe that when the petals of the white tree fall, 'tis no idle thing. The very tears of the Valar themselves, a living reminder that their eyes and their judgment are ever upon us. I would neither command nor invite you to any danger I myself would not face. So, I've decided to personally escort the elf back to Middle-earth to aid our mortal brethren, who are now besieged in the Southlands.
Our ships will depart in 10 days.
Expeditionary force will be made up of brave sons and daughters from across fair Numenor. Who is willing themselves to our Queen Regent's protection?
I will serve.
I will serve.
I will serve.
마침내 남부를 어둠의 세력으로부터 구원할 위대한 원정대가 결성되지만
Father.
엘렌딜은 아들 이실두르를 원정군으로 선발하지 않았는데 그가 경비대에서 쫓겨난 것이 마음에 걸렸던 것이죠.
But you had your chance, and you made your choice.
한편 원정에 반대하는 무리들은 파라존을 찾아가 거세게 따져 묻기 시작합니다.
Why didn't he stop this?
He's loyal to her.
Then it must be you. He will listen to you.
할브란드는 어느새 조합 지위를 획득해 대장간에서 일하고 있었죠.
Southlander, your visitors.
남부 원정을 준비하는 미리엘이 할브란드를 호출해 상황을 물어봅니다.
The south, I should think. Towards the watchtower of Osterith.
I'm certain your fellowship will prove just as invaluable once we make landfall.
Landfall.
Galadriel informed us of your aspiration to unite your people. Given that I've staked my name upon it, I should hope so.
Your father has requested your presence in the tower.
Galadriel informed us.
I wondered how the Queen knew to waylay me at her father's bedside. It never occurred to me you'd hand me over for a guild crest. I have just convinced Numenor, and place a crown upon your head.
Find another head to crown.
뒤이어 갈라드리엘은 병사들에게 오로크와 싸우는 법을 가르칩니다.
We will see who can score flesh.
Anyone that does, I will promote to lieutenant.
지나가던 이실도르도 이 광경을 목격하게 되고
Never trust brute force to best an orc. Well done, Lieutenant.
이실도르의 친구가 부관이 되는 사이 케멘은 파라존을 찾아가 원정을 막아야 한다고 설득하는데
How could this be for Numenor? Soon we will save the low men of Middle-earth, lift them up, and give them the king they've long awaited, a king who will be forever in our debt. Now contemplate, if you can, how that might benefit us. Wars, forests, trade, tribute. You've learned nothing.
미리엘은 상황에게 원정을 떠나며 요정과의 관계를 회복하겠다고 말하지만
Don't go to Middle-earth. All that awaits you there, darkness.
한편 거친 이주의 여정 속에서도 노리는 거인의 곁을 지키며 차근차근 언어도 가르쳤죠.
The only trouble is there's 100 perils between here and there.
Perils?
Hill trolls, cave trolls, anything that'll kill you.
Kill.
Needs to make something
dead.
I'm Perrin.
You're not a Peril. You're good.
I'm good.
Because you're here to help.
거인과의 이주는 이어졌고 정체 모를 사람들이 거인의 흔적을 살핍니다.
The tunnel is complete.
Summon the legions. It is time.
Our enemy vows to attack. We have been ordered to abandon this tower and swear fealty to their commander. Who among you will stand and fight?
I say be better to take our chances bowing to the supposed enemy.
Is not your delivery.
You are.
Together we can survive this.
Follow me, and together we will.
결국 공포를 이겨내지 못한 사람들의 절반이 스스로 오르크들에게 항복하러 발걸음을 옮겼고 엘론드는 두린을 요정의 수도 린돈으로 데려와 길갈라드와 함께 회의를 하고 있는데
Khazad-dûm has been called the quietest of dwarven kingdoms, but in recent months your furnaces are said to be burning as bright as the eyes of Aule himself.
탐색하듯 파고드는 왕의 질문에 엘론드는 그의 말을 끊으며 두린을 변호합니다.
Your loyalty to the dwarf is admirable.
Loyalty to a friend ought to be expected.
Does it justify lying to your king?
You sought something far more tangible.
Familiar with the song of the roots of Hithaeglir.
이야기는 실마릴이 숨겨진 나무를 두고 요정 전사와 발로그 사이에 벌어진 치열한 전투에 관한 것이었죠.
Amidst their duel, unending, lightning ensnared the tree, forging of their conflict, a power.
They say it seeped down the roots into the mountain depths where for centuries now it has waited.
Durin was right.
The dwarves did find it, the ore containing the light of the lost Silmaril.
I promised Durin never to reveal his people's secrets.
그러자 길갈라드는 엘론드를 이끌고 린돈을 수호하는 신성한 나무가 썩어가는 참혹한 광경을 보여줍니다.
Our light is fading.
그는 미스릴의 신비로운 힘이라면 썩어가는 나무와 요정들의 힘을 되살릴 가능성이 있다고 하는데
I do not intend to let mine slip away on the basis of mere hope.
Not just of our people, but all peoples. If the hope of preventing that is not reason enough to make you reconsider your oath, I suggest you find another.
다음 날 엘론드는 죄책감을 누르며 두린에게 진실을 말하기 시작합니다.
I did not come to Khazad-dûm for friendship but ambition, but I came for Mithril.
Why?
Without it, my kind must either abandon these shores by spring or perish.
Perish?
Our immortal souls will dwindle into nothing, slowly diminishing.
Say that again.
The fate of the entire elven race is in your hands.
Whose hands?
Yours.
Fetch your feathery shirts. Let's start walking. Don't thank me yet. Thank me after we find a way to convince my father. Can we please get moving? It's a long journey back.
한편 이주 중이던 노리는 와르그의 발자국을 발견하는데
We saw footprints. In the mud. One at a time, please.
다른 털발족들도 맹수의 소리를 듣게 됩니다. 와르그 무리를 막아선 거인은 와르그를 쫓아냈지만 거인이 팔을 다치고 맙니다.
Never seen him take a shine to an outsider like this before.
노리가 약을 챙겨온 사이 물에 담근 손 주변이 순식간에 얼어붙으며 남자는 알 수 없는 말을 중얼거리고 있었죠.
Stop! Please!
얼마 뒤 누메노르 원정대의 출발이 하루 앞으로 다가오자 이실도르는 부관이 된 친구를 찾아가 자신도 원정대에 합류시켜달라 부탁합니다.
Fine, you get a free hit. Jaw, gut, your choice, one hit. Actually...
I hope you find something that you would be willing to sacrifice anything for.
친구는 그를 추천할 수 없다며 단칼에 거절했고 케멘이 어둠을 틈타 출항 준비를 마친 배에 몰래 잠입하는데
Are you stowing away? Are you about to burn the boat? Get out of here this moment. I won't let anyone know I saw you.
케멘을 막기 위해 달려드는 이실도르.
He was in a fishing boat. A cast must have gone up. He could have just left, but he saved my life.
Captain!
This was clearly an attempt to kindle your doubts, Queen Regent. We still have 3 ships, and your father's blessing.
What of Lord Halbrand?
He awaits our departure.
This council will reconvene at first light to make a final decision. See to it Lord Halbrand attends.
갈라드리엘은 곧바로 할브란드를 설득하러 가고
Help me.
I think I've helped you quite enough.
Then help yourself.
Not so long ago, men like me were fighting alongside them. You don't know what I did before I ended up on that raft. No, we all survived.
Sometimes to find the light, we must first touch the darkness.
What do you know of darkness? Whose dagger was it, Galadriel?
My brother.
What happened to him?
By servants of Sauron. Is that enough for you?
So this is about vengeance. Why do you keep fighting?
Because I cannot stop. There is no peace to be found for you here. No lasting peace in any path, but that which lies across the sea. This is how you earn yours.
Long have I awaited this day. I pledge my loyalty to Sauron.
그 말을 들은 아다르는 남자에게 다가가더니
I'll serve you then, whoever you are.
Only blood can bind.
Why bother trying to teach me?
And we're going to need another fight to come.
All my life your kind has watched us. We're all about to be buried in this tower. So why be buried with us?
I've come to know the voices and the hands of those behind them.
Half of us just left.
But half stayed.
아론디르의 의지를 본 세오는
There's something you don't know.
가지고 온 칼자루를 그에게 보여주고 아론디르는 감시탑 돌기둥에 깊게 새겨져 있던 칼자루의 형상을 떠올립니다.
There's a key, conjured by some forgotten craft of the enemy to enslave your ancestors.
A key to what?
I do not know. I've given the orcs a home in these lands. Our enemy knows your son has what he needs to enact it.
How long?
Maybe hours. We can survive this, Bronwyn. There is a way.
잠시 뒤 아다르의 군대가 감시탑으로 진군을 시작합니다.
Lord Halbrand, the Queen Regent summons you.
고민하던 할브란드는 원정대에 합류하기로 결정하고 원정대는 출발 준비를 마칩니다.
Look, his father secured him a post. Again.
Earn mine. Same as you.
Soldier. Stable sweep. Square the sail. For Middle Earth.
마침내 누메노르의 원정대가 가운데 땅 남부를 향해 돛을 올렸고 아다르와 오르크 군대가 감시탑에 도착하지만 이상하게도 문은 열려 있고 안은 텅 비어 있는데 문이 잠겨버립니다. 감시탑이 무너지며 아다르와 오르크 군대를 덮쳤고 이 광경을 지켜보며 환호하는 사람들.
How long do we have?
Not long enough. Come on. We have to make ready the village.
같은 시각 가운데 땅을 향해 바다를 가르는 누메노르 원정대의 함선들.
It'll be visible to your eyes in a few moments. Mine have not before seen you.
Stable sweep.
Despise not the labor which humbles the heart.
I did not join this expedition to be humble.
Then for what did you join, soldier?
I was just trying to get away, as far as I could from that place.
Numenor.
Not the real Numenor anyway.
It exists still, if only in the heart of the lowliest stable sweep.
It's a seal door.
You have the look of your father.
Land has been sighted, Your Majesty.
원정대의 목표는 할브란드가 말한 대로 오르크들이 노리는 감시탑으로 가는 것이었고
Tell them to make all possible haste.
마을로 내려온 아론디르는 칼자루를 파괴하려 애써보지만 사악한 힘은 한치의 균열조차 허락하지 않습니다.
It is beyond our skill to destroy.
Where will you hide it?
No one must know. Not even you.
아론디르와 브론윈의 지휘 아래 사람들은 오르크들을 막아내기 위해 마지막 결전을 준비합니다.
This is to be our keep. Our fallback point.
Soon the sun will set. Do your part. And I swear to you, you shall see it rise again.
To your positions.
얼마 뒤 해가 지자 아다르의 군대가 다시 모습을 드러냅니다.
They're here.
매복 중이던 브론위는 오르크 군대가 모두 다리를 건너기를 기다렸고 그녀가 보낸 마차를 시작으로 화염에 휩싸인 마차가 돌진하며 오르크들을 거대한 불길 속에 가뒀고 뒤이어 화살 세례를 퍼붓기 시작합니다.
They're headed for the tavern! Drag to the Southlands!
마을 사람들은 힘을 합쳐 적을 막아내고 환호하지만 뭔가 불길함을 직감한 아론디르는 시체를 확인하는데
We're fighting our own. Take them in for nothing. Had to pay the toll.
그리고 시작되는 진짜 오르크 군대의 공격. 아다르가 이끄는 오르크 군대가 마을로 쳐들어오기 시작합니다. 아론디르가 상처 입은 브론윈을 눕히고
Now that you're gonna do this, I'm gonna die. Do you understand?
Theo.
She's saying burn. Now this side. That's enough.
Mother!
아다르와 제외하는 아론디르.
Sani kissed him as he Anthony.
하지만 오르크들은 주민들을 한 명씩 죽이기 시작했고
Why sacrifice their lives for such a little thing? The woman next.
겸허하게 죽음을 받아들일 준비를 하는 브로닌.
Wait! It's under here.
칼자루가 아다르의 손에 넘어갑니다.
Roderick, I have a task for you.
바로 그때 붉은 아침 여명과 함께 누메노르의 기마대가 모습을 드러냅니다. 오르크들이 당황하자 마을 사람들도 반격에 나섰고
Their commander.
Demonios! Vos vossos!
Who is that?
Commander of the Northern Army, Galadriel.
빠른 속도로 아다르를 뒤쫓는 갈라드리엘.
You remember me?
No.
Stop! We need him alive.
You don't know what he did. Cause someone you love pain. A woman, perhaps. A child.
Halbrand, put it down. One cannot satisfy thirst by drinking seawater.
원정대의 압도적인 무력 앞에 오르크들은 순식간에 제압당하고
When I was a child, I heard stories of elves taken by Morgoth, tortured, twisted, made into a new and ruined form of life. You are one of them, are you not? The first
orcs.
We prefer Uruk.
Where's Sauron?
After Morgoth's defeat, one you call Sauron, he sought to craft the power, but over flesh. He buried as many as he could following far north.
사우론은 북쪽에서 수많은 오르크를 희생시키며 힘을 완성하려 했지만 결국 실패로 끝났죠.
I sacrificed enough of my children for his aspirations. I split him open. I killed Sauron.
I do not believe you. I cannot believe that you are this army's only master.
My children have no master, but each one has a name, a heart, worthy of the breath of life, and just as worthy of a home.
Even if it takes me all of this age, I vow to eradicate every last one of you.
Seem I'm not the only elf alive being transformed by darkness.
You slavering
Galadriel.
Who are you?
What I owe you. My people are alive because of you.
They're alive because of you.
Called for me, Your Majesty.
This is Lord Halbrand.
Bronwyn.
브로니는 할브란드의 문양을 보더니
Are you the king we were promised?
Yes.
All hail!
All hail, true king of the South.
The men of these lands have awaited this moment a long time.
Not nearly so long as the elves.
갈라드리엘은 아론디르에게 칼자루를 돌려주고
To not torment yourself. Many might have done the same in your place.
It's not just guilt, I feel. When it was in my hands, I felt powerful.
Then rid yourself of it.
How?
Give it to Numenor, to toss into the sea on their voyage home.
하지만 세오가 헝겊을 풀어보자 칼자루가 아니었는데 그 검은 감시탑에 연결된 거대한 기계장치의 열쇠였죠.
Easy. Careful.
No, either we.
How did you do that?
It's not his pain that's bothering him, but that of his rider. When a horse of Westerness rides into battle, he forms an unbreakable bond with the soldier he bears, even knowing the innermost feelings of each other's heart. He knows yours.
Where did you learn all this?
From your mother.
Think you could teach me?
터져나온 막대한 물길은 오르크들이 파놓은 지하 땅굴을 타고 화산 아래 용암지대까지 다다르게 됩니다. 화산이 폭발하며 어둠이 온 세상을 가두기 시작했고 얼마 뒤 화산재 속에서 가까스로 정신을 차린 갈라드리엘. 동료들을 불러보지만 돌아오는 것은 침묵뿐이었는데
Over here!
이실도르는 건물 잔해를 해치며 친구들을 구하기 위해 온 힘을 다하지만
He's gone. Come on!
다른 잔해에 깔린 사람들을 발견하고 꺼내주려는 두 사람.
Over here! This way!
Hurry, quick!
Get them out of here!
Why'd they do this?
To make this their home.
What are you so bothered about? It isn't your fault.
Yes, it is.
사람들을 인솔에 피신하던 엘렌딜은 이실도르의 말을 발견합니다.
Isildur!
하지만 이실도르의 모습은 보이지 않고
Take my horse.
Captain, you.
Where is my son?
Numenor set their camp upon that ridgeline, beyond that far peak. Every war is fought both without and within. Of that every soldier must be mindful.
Why a soldier then?
Perhaps we can make one of you yet.
How much further until we're clear of this smoke?
그 말에 이상함을 느낀 엘렌딜.
Nearly a mile.
Only Grey.
미리엘은 대폭발로 시력을 잃은 것인데
Guide my horse. No one need notice.
그 시각 노리의 가족과 거인은 마침내 앞서간 동족들을 따라잡는 데 성공합니다. 하지만 화산재가 덮쳐 털발족들의 수레와 식량은 물론 채집할 과일 나뭇가지 모두 태워버린 뒤였습니다.
Your friend up there. The big fella. You don't suppose.
Suppose what?
Maybe he could fix it.
노리의 부탁을 받은 거인은 불타 죽어버린 나무를 손으로 만지며 알 수 없는 말들을 중얼거리기 시작하는데
Great goats. It's working.
도움은커녕 부족의 위험만 초래하자 족장 사독은 거인에게 다가가는데
You'll find the big folk settlements on the far side. Then you look. The people there can help you find your stars. Well, all I can tell you is Harford folk haven't seen him since the days our ancestors lived in parts unknown over 1,000 years ago.
결국 사독은 위험해 보이는 거인을 무리해서 내보내기로 결정했고 노리는 아쉬움과 미안함 속에 그를 떠나보냅니다.
I saw that star falling. Should have just let us alone.
I'm just a Harfoot.
엘론드와 두린은 봉인된 광산문을 열어 미쓰리를 켤 수 있게 해달라며 두린의 아버지를 설득하기 시작하는데
Game, grain, and timber from the elder forests of Eriador for the next 5 centuries.
Why should we trust any elf?
You should not, but you can trust me, for I am no common elf, but Elrond half-elven, and I see in elves that which they cannot see in themselves. Please, noble king, help us.
I will speak to my son now.
하지만 두린의 아버지는 결코 광산을 허락하지 않습니다.
The fate of the elves was decided many ages ago. Defy their will, and this entire kingdom might fall. But their time has come.
Lice-bearded, uncaring old fool! What choice do we have?
그때 작별 인사를 위해 두린에게 다가오는 엘론드.
So this is goodbye then.
We do not say goodbye. We say no more.
Namarie.
It means more than simply farewell. It means go towards goodness.
미스릴 조각을 두린에게 돌려준 엘론드가 발길을 돌립니다. 린돈의 나뭇잎 옆에 미스릴 조각이 놓이자 본래의 생기를 되찾기 시작하는데 돌아가려는 엘론드를 붙잡은 두린은 아버지 몰래 미스릴 광산으로 향합니다. 그 아래에는 거대한 미스릴 광맥이 있었죠.
Durin.
Seize the elf.
왕의 뜻을 거역한 엘론드는 크아자툼에서 씁쓸히 쫓겨나고 맙니다.
Consigning your allies to death is not tempering. Elrond is as much a brother to me as if he'd been fired in my own mother's womb.
How dare you to defend your decision to betray your own kind?
It's you that's betrayed our kind, squandering our future so you can cling to the past.
두린 3세는 왕자의 힘을 상징하는 목걸이를 떼어낸 뒤 발길을 돌립니다.
Leave it. It's not yours anymore. That's all my fault.
It's your father's. He's grown too old, too suspicious. One day this will be your kingdom. That Mithril belongs to us.
Seal it up.
두린 3세는 린돈의 나뭇잎을 던져버렸고 발로그가 깨어납니다.
Have you ever lost someone close to them?
My brother, Finrod, and my husband,
Husband?
Celeborn, was his name.
Milady, it isn't your fault. I gave power to the enemy, so that makes me responsible.
Do not take the burden of this day upon your shoulders, Theo. You may find it difficult to put it down again.
그때 오르크들이 다가오는 소리가 들리고
Ashes, come on. We're wasting time.
We move at first light.
What like?
다음 날 아침 눈을 뜬 노리는 포피가 과일을 잔뜩 들고 있는 걸 목격하는데 밤새 불탔던 대지와 나무들이 모두 되살아나 있었습니다.
He fixed it.
And still have enough left over to last a frozen fish?
잃었던 식량과 물을 보충한 털발족들은 다시 길을 떠날 준비를 시작했고 포피의 눈에 보인 거대한 발자국. 거인을 추적하고 있는 정체모를 사제들입니다. 그날 밤 이들을 발견한 놀이. 이들이 거인이 떠난 방향으로 발길을 돌리자
Wait! You're going the wrong way! He went that way. Go on now.
순식간에 눈앞에서 사라졌고
Alright! Leave her alone! You heard her. Off with you now.
Be gone!
털발족들의 모든 식량과 수레를 태워버리고는 사라져버립니다. 털발족들은 불타버린 잔해를 정리하며 다시 떠날 채비를 마치지만 노리의 마음속엔 새로운 운명의 모험이 싹트고 있었습니다.
Nori, where are you going? To help my friend. Warn him what's coming. He deserves at least that.
Going off trail alone?
She won't be alone.
You girls aren't going anywhere. Not without me.
You sure about this, Cozy?
If a trail finder were to go with them, what's the good of living, Sadok, if we aren't living good?
I'm coming with you.
그렇게 네 사람이 거인을 따라 길을 떠날 무렵 누멘노르군과 남부 피난민들은 전초기지에 도착합니다. 주인을 잃은 이실두르의 말은 그 누구의 통제도 거부하며 날뛰었고
You won't listen to any of us.
아들을 잃었단 슬픔에 잠긴 엘렌딜은 말을 풀어줍니다.
I should never have pulled the elf on board.
얼마 뒤 갈라드리엘과 세오도 전초기지에 도착하고 세오는 혹시나 브로닌이 살아있을지 모른다는 희망에 부상자들에게 향하는데
Theo?
다행스럽게도 두 사람 모두 무사했죠.
Preparations are nearly complete.
What of the Southlanders?
One garrison will remain behind to escort them to a safe settlement.
시력을 잃은 미리엘을 목격한 갈라드리엘은 차마 아무런 말도 건네지 못합니다.
Do not spend your pity on me, elf. Save it for our enemies.
For I, Miriel, daughter of Ar Inziladun, vow this. Numenor will return.
Then the elves will be ready.
그렇게 미리엘과 알렌딜이 누메노르로 배를 돌렸고
Believe she'll keep her promise.
I'm certain of it.
Bones have been set. Wounds bound. We can travel.
Where will you go?
An old Numenorian colony. By the mouth of the Anduin. Pelage, they called it.
Then I will report to our High King to face whatever awaits me.
But what of our king?
Your king? Halbrand.
Southlanders found him on the road like this, yesterday eve.
This wound needs elvish medicine.
갈라드리엘은 할브란드를 요정들에게 데려가기로 결심합니다.
Straight to the Southland!
My children, this is our land now. No, that is the name of a place that no longer exists.
What shall we call it instead, Lord Father?
마침내 어둠이 지배하는 땅 모르도르가 태어납니다. 한편 거인은 홀로 걸음을 옮기고 있었죠.
You're not a peril. You're good.
갑자기 보인 노리의 모습을 따라가 보는데
Nori.
Dulil men noridas. Heru Sauron.
정체를 알 수 없는 이들은 거인 앞에 무릎을 꿇고
Do not be afraid, master.
이들은 시간이 흐르면 잃어버린 기억이 차츰 돌아올 것이라 말하는데
To bring you to our lands.
The stars.
It is called the Hermit's Hat. the lands of Rhûn, where you will be known at last for who you truly are. For it trembles when you are wroth, for you are Lord Sauron.
점점 거세지는 힘에 폭주하기 시작하는 거인의 능력.
In time, he will learn to control his powers. For now, bind him.
Where'd the third one go? Better 2 than 3. Now's our chance.
동물 소리로 거인을 결박하고 있는 사제들의 시선을 돌리고는 그 틈을 타 노리와 사독이 결박된 거인에게 달려가는데 땅바닥에 누워있는 또 다른 거인.
Run!
Sonic!
놀이를 처리하려던 그 순간
Master, calm yourself.
Nori! Nori, let's go!
Make him see.
털발족들의 잇따른 방해에 불길에 가까이 다가간 의문의 사제는 주변을 불태우기 시작합니다.
Take it! We need you, please just take it!
I'll hurt you again. They show me what I am.
Only you can show what you are. You're here to help. I know it.
It'll only hurt for a moment.
거인은 눈빛만으로 타오르던 불길을 잠재워버리는데
From shadow you came, to shadow I bid you return.
He is not Sauron. He is the other. The Istar. He is...
I'm good.
이들이 사라지자 상처 입은 사독 근처에 모여든 털발족들.
I'm afraid I'm about to go a wandering off trail.
Mr. Burroughs.
It's all right, proud fellow. Now, if you don't mind, like to sit a while, watch the sun come up.
떠오르는 해를 바라보며 사독이 숨을 거뒀고 에레기온에서는 더 이상 미스리를 구하지 못하게 된 요정들이 깊은 고민에 빠져 있었는데
Doing more with less.
How could we possibly match the powers that wrought the sun? Then the elves must prepare to abandon these shores forever.
그때 에레기온에 들어서는 할브란드와 갈라드리엘.
Galadriel?
Enemy lance. 6 days ago. Can you help him?
켈레브린보르가 할브란드를 치료하는 동안 두 사람은 그간 서로에게 일어났던 일들을 털어놓기 시작합니다.
Who's there?
얼마 뒤 몸을 회복한 할브란드는 켈레브린보르의 작업장에 방문하는데
Celebrimbor. The master I apprenticed to used to speak of the wonders of your craft. You a smith? Nothing like your artistry. I've never seen anything like them. What do you plan to use them for?
I had hoped to do the same for Middle-earth.
This is a peculiar ore. Have you tried combining it with other ores? Better stretch it out. Couldn't the right alloy also amplify those qualities?
Amplify?
Where I came up, precious metals were scarce as hen's teeth. Learn to combine them, to harness strengths and hide flaws. Might there not be some alloy to amplify the qualities of your ore?
Well, that is an intriguing suggestion. One object for all Middle-earth.
켈레브린보르는 미스릴의 힘을 응축시킨 위대한 물건을 만들겠다는 계획을 그에게 들려줍니다.
Circular form will be ideal, allowing the light to arc back upon itself in one unbroken round, building to a power that is all but. And you would place all that power upon the brow of one being?
Not just any one being, High King. You.
Perilous are these whisperings.
High King, We ask only for the time.
Our time runs short. Since the Mountain of Fire's eruption, the great tree is all but bleeding leaves. Soon the last will fall. And unless our people leave these shores, so shall we.
But I almost had it sooner. It was only in speaking with the Southlander that I realized...
The low man?
We are on the cusp of crafting a new kind of power. Not of the flesh, but over flesh.
The one you call Sauron, he sought to craft the power, but over flesh.
This is a power of the unseen world.
And return to Lindon immediately, all of you.
그는 계획을 폐지한 뒤 즉시 돌아오라는 명령을 남기고 떠났고 엘론드가 그의 뒤를 따라 나섭니다.
Where did you hear them? Those words. Power over flesh.
I believe those are my words.
Was Halbrand with you?
What does it matter? It's over.
엘론드는 마지막까지 왕을 설득할 생각인데
It is a fool's hope, Elrond.
Hope is never mere, not even when it is meager.
그렇게 귀중한 시간을 얻어낸 켈레브린보르는 할브란드와 함께 미스릴의 힘을 담아낼 물건을 만들기 시작합니다.
I need royal lineages, bloodlines. Anything you can find on the Southlands.
그 무렵 누메노르에서는 선왕의 건강이 점점 악화되자 파라주는 왕이 서거하기 전 초상화를 남길 화궁을 선발합니다.
You have been chosen to propose one as well.
화궁으로 선발된 에아리에는 그날부터 왕의 초상화를 그리기 시작하는데
I know what you have been doing in the dark of night when you thought all eyes were asleep.
I'm sorry. Your handmaid will be back in a moment, my king.
And there is still time to warn you, young Miriel.
You're mistaken. I'm
Queen yet? No, but you will be. So know this, the old ways of our people are not soon restored. Our island will fall. Come, you must go up, but don't do as I did.
엘렌들이 시리에 빠져있는 미리엘을 찾아갑니다.
I have you.
And who has you, given your loss?
I just never imagined it would lead here.
My father once told me that the way of the faithful is committing to pay the price.
And I, for one, will see to it that we make the end worth the price.
Captain, Numenor is in sight.
두 사람이 갑판으로 나오자 배 안은 소란스러웠고
What is it? What's wrong?
돛대에 내걸린 검은 깃발은 선왕의 서거를 알리고 있었습니다. 켈레브린보르는 계속되는 시도에도 불구하고 미스릴 합금 제작에 실패하는데
Supposing we've been using too much force.
Meaning what?
Meaning that the metals shouldn't be forced to join, but more drawn or coaxed. Quickly, dismantle this. We start again.
My lady.
남부왕의 혈통에 대한 기록을 읽어본 갈라드리엘은 할브란드를 불러냅니다.
Not until you tell me who you are. There is no king of the Southlands. The line was broken. The last man to bear your crest died over 1,000 years ago. He had no heir. Tell me your name.
I have been awake since before the breaking of the first silence. In that time, I have had many names.
갑자기 주변 광경이 바뀌며 그녀의 눈앞에 오빠의 환영이 모습을 드러냅니다.
My old dagger. He was seeking a power, not to destroy Middle-earth, but to heal it, just as your fellow elves are seeking to do this very moment. Simply let the work proceed.
My brother is dead. Because of you.
Galadriel. Look at me!
I am your friend.
You're a friend of Morgoth's.
When Morgoth was defeated, it released its grasp from my neck, and I had to heal everything that I had helped ruin.
No penance could ever erase the evil you have done.
You told me. You don't know what I did before I ended up on that raft. I told you that I had done evil, and you did not care because you knew that our past meant nothing. Weighed against our future.
There is no such future.
Isn't there? I alone can see your greatness. I alone can see your light.
You would make me a tyrant.
I would make you a queen. Together can save this Middle Earth.
Save or rule.
I see no difference.
And that is why I will never be at your side.
What will they do when you tell them that you are my ally? That Sauron lives because of you!
You will die because of me! Deceiver!
Galadriel, stop. Elrond. It's Elrond.
Where did we first meet?
Seaside, when I was first orphaned.
Celebrimbor. Where is he?
Workshop. He'll almost be finished by now.
곧바로 켈레브린보르에게 달려간 갈라드리엘.
Where is Halbrand?
He is gone, and I doubt he will return. And should he ever, none of us are to treat with him again.
So, do we proceed?
No, we must make 3.
3? Why 3?
One will always corrupt. 2 will divide.
With 3, there is balance.
Powers we forge today must be for the elves alone.
I need gold and silver of the most exquisite quality. I need gold and silver from Valinor. True creation requires sacrifice.
그 시각 노리와 거인은 털발쪽 무리로 돌아옵니다.
They called you something else. Istad. Is that your kind?
In your tongue, that means wise one. Or wizard.
You're really not coming with us, are you?
Betimes, our paths are laid before us by powers greater than our own, where our hearts wish not to tread.
So it's a bit like an adventure.
Alone, it's just a journey. No adventures. They must be shared.
I think I've had about as much adventure as any Harfoot could ever hope for.
그렇게 털발족들이 모든 준비를 마치고 이주를 시작하려던 그 순간
You're part of something bigger now.
He needs you, and you belong out there.
노리의 부모님은 이제 그녀를 더 큰 세상으로 보내주려 합니다. 털발족들과 작별 인사를 나눈 노리는 거인과 함께 미지의 길을 떠납니다.
There it is. There's a sweet smell on the air this way. When in doubt, Eleanor Brandyfoot. Always follow your nose.
마침내 미스릴과 갈라드리엘의 단검을 함께 녹여내며 켈레브린보르는 위대한 힘의 반지 제작에 들어갑니다. 그렇게 미스릴의 힘을 담은 3개의 반지, 빌야, 네냐, 나랴가 완성됩니다. 그리고 모르도르에 도착한 할브란드, 아니 사우론의 모습을 비추며 반지의 제왕, 힘의 반지 첫 번째 시즌이 끝납니다. 시간이 흘러도 판타지 블록버스터의 왕좌는 흔들리지 않습니다. 중원대륙의 가장 위대한 전설을 연 아마존 프라임 비디오의 반지의 제왕, 힘의 반지 시즌1이었습니다. 공개 당시 전 세계적인 화제를 모았던 이 시리즈는 지금 다시 보아도 여전히 독보적인 비주얼과 압도적인 스케일을 자랑합니다. 영화 반지의 제왕보다 수천 년 전인 제2시대를 배경으로 힘의 반지가 만들어지기 전 평화 속에 숨겨진 어둠의 부활을 정교하게 다루는데요. 요정 갈라드리엘의 집요한 추적부터 황홀한 누메노르 왕국의 전경, 게다가 사우론의 정체를 둘러싼 미스터리는 정주행할수록 깊은 몰입감을 선사합니다. 천문학적인 제작비가 증명하듯 단 한 컷도 허투루 넘길 수 없는 화려한 미장센은 지금까지도 대체 불가능한 시각적 쾌감을 선사하는데요. 검증된 명작의 압도적인 아우라와 판타지의 세계관에 다시 한번 빠져들고 싶은 분들에게 적극 추천드리는 작품 반지의 제왕, 힘의 반지는 아마존 프라임 비디오에서 시청하실 수 있습니다.